Hey guys, how you doing? Today I want to introduce you to my SX-70. She's a beautiful, beautiful camera, even though her skin's not that great. This is just, it's not attractive. It's kind of disgusting. This is the cover that came with the camera originally, I'm sure, because it's so degraded at this point. Leatherette maybe, some type of faux leather or cheap vinyl, I don't know what it is, but look at it, it's coming off. These little sections are, and it's sticky and gooey underneath. We need to do something about this. And that's what today's video is about. I am going to attempt to replace these covers with some brand new ones that I bought off of eBay. Here they are, the brand new ones, and as you can see, this one goes here, this big one goes here, and then I've got the other three sections that go here, here, and here. Because look at that, man. We really need to do something about this. This is just not good. Now this cover set came with an instruction sheet, and basically it says, hey, you've got to get all of this, everything off of these surfaces. You've got to get all the gunk off before you attempt to place the new cover set onto the surface of the camera. If the surface isn't really clean and free of debris, it's just not going to work. And I can tell that there's a lot of stuff here. It's going to take a little bit of work, but I'm going to tackle it. I think I can make it happen. We'll see if I get it done. I'm not a very crafty person, but I think I can make this work. And if I'm successful, I've thought of a way to reward myself. I bought a pack of film that I've never used with this camera before from Polaroid Originals. We're going to see how that works. I think we're going to get some good pictures. If everything's working correctly, I might have to clean the rollers out. We're going to see about all that. All right, are you ready to get this process started? I know I am. I think I am. Let's go for it. All right, now that my camera is all beautiful with its new skin, with its new covers here, remember how awful it looked just a few days ago, and I'm so happy with the way that it looks. But the real question is, can it take good pictures? Now I had trouble with this camera before because I don't know whether it was because the rollers were a little dirty or it was the film pack that I was using was maybe expired, but we've loaded it with some good fresh film, and we're here with the beautiful, wonderful DJ who's graciously agreed to help us test this camera out. We're gonna see if we get some good pictures here. So you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, so the idea here is to use all these cool colors. It takes a little while for me to focus. I might get a couple shots here. 1, 2, 3. All right. See if I can get in a little closer. The focus on those Polaroids, they're a little soft, and I don't know if it's because of that it's my camera or if it's just the nature of that kind of film. I think these two might be my favorite shots of the day. Of course, some of the other ones are nice too. Maybe some of them were a little washed out, like this one. But overall, I'm really impressed with the quality that formerly the Impossible Project, now Polaroid Originals, with the quality of their SX-70 film. In the past, I don't think that they had SX-70 film available for these cameras. So what you used to have to do is purchase their 600 speed film and and stick a little piece of ND filter over the film pack, or maybe on the camera in some way, maybe over the lens, and so that you could cut down on the light, because the SX-70 is programmed to work with a much slower speed film, so the 600 speed was just too fast. Aside from being pretty impressed with the new SX-70 film, I'm also impressed with my own handiwork. I can't believe I got this done. I wasn't so sure I'd be able to do this, but it worked out. I think it really does look almost like a brand new SX-70. So the camera works, the film is good. I went ahead and bought 2 extra packs of film, so next up, I think some creative shots, but that's gonna have to wait for another video. Until then, thanks for watching this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about this one and what you thought about the pictures. Have a great day. See you next time.